the Philippine National Anthem by the NCF community.
Tayo'y magsitayo at ilagay ang kanang kamay sa ating dibdib at magbigay pugay para sa pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Tayang mag-ilim, pera sa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib ay buhay. Lumang hinirang, tuyang ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulupig, di ka masisingin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit bumulaw, may dinatang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang bisag ng wataran mo'y ganun ay narating, ang bituin at karamyang kailan ka may di magdidinig. Lumanang araw ng walang ibang sila, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pagmay ng langit, namamalay ng dahil sa'yo.
The NCF Hymn.
Naga College Ceremonies, with loving praise our voices sing. Let us rejoice in songs so free. We bring it to glory supreme. With me of us we now adore unto you. We offer our thoughts above. So give this now a living splendor, as your loyal sons are gone before.
The Board of Trustees. Chairman, Attorney Carlos C. Villanueva Jr. President, Mario C. Villanueva. Secretary, Roland C. Villanueva Jr. Treasurer, Dr. Roger P. Villanueva. Member, Ann V. Hidalgo. Member, Emerita V. Padua. Member, Rodolfo R. Baldimore. Member, Everett U. Ulivan. Academic Division. Ida P. Osea, PhD, Vice President for Academic Affairs. Dr. Josephine Francia R. Villanueva, Dean, School of Graduate Studies. Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Dean, College of Criminal Justice Education. Dr. Jeronimo A. Buenavente, Dean, College of Engineering. Dr. Stanley O. D., Dean, College of Health Sciences. Adrian R. Ongog, Dean, College of Business and Accountancy. Dr. Fausto C. Romero Jr., Dean, College of Arts and Sciences. Dr. Zoraida A. Monzerate, Dean, College of Teacher Education. Called to order by Ida P. Osea, PhD, Vice President for Academic Affairs.
On this day, the 24th of October, in the year of our Lord 2020, the 73rd year since the foundation of Naga College Foundation Incorporated, before our distinguished Board of Trustees, esteemed school administrators, the faculty and staff, parents, guests, the graduating class, alumni, alumni, and friends, I now formally declare these 73rd commencement exercises officially in session.
The presentation of the candidates for graduation by the Deans. Dr. Josephine Francia R. Villanueva, Dean, School of Graduate Studies.
Candidates for graduation of the Graduate Studies, please rise. Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the Graduate Studies and the Registrar, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the Doctor of Philosophy, Major in Educational Management, Master of Arts in Education, Major in Educational Management, Mathematics, English, Physical Education, Science Education, Filipino, Master in Business Administration, Major in Human Resource Management. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the respective curricula as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, Republic of the Philippines. Mr. President, for your confirmation.
Dr. Marilyn F. Balares, Dean, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Candidates for graduation of the College of Criminal Justice Education, please rise. Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Criminal Justice Education and the Registrar, I have the honor to present to you the 110 candidates for graduation for the degree Bachelor of Science in Criminology and 10 candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Criminology through the expanded tertiary education equivalency and accreditation program. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of their respective curricula as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, Republic of the Philippines. Mr. President, for your confirmation.
Dr. Jeronimo A. Buenavente, Dean, College of Engineering.
Candidates for graduation of the College of Engineering, please rise. Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Engineering and the Registrar, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the degrees Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, and Bachelor of Science in Geodetic Engineering. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the respective curricula as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, Republic of the Philippines. Mr. President, for your confirmation.
Dr. Zoraida A. Monserrate, Dean, College of Teacher Education.
Candidates for graduation of the College of Teacher Education, please rise. Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Teacher Education and the Registrar, I have the honor to present to you 52 candidates for graduation for the degrees Bachelor of Elementary Education Generalist and Specialization in Preschool Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in English, Filipino, MAPE, Math, Social Studies, and Biological Science. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the respective curricula as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, Republic of the Philippines. Mr. President, for your confirmation.
Dr. Fausto C. Romero Jr., Dean, College of Arts and Sciences.
Candidates for graduation of the College of Arts and Sciences, please rise. Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Arts and Sciences and the Registrar, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the Bachelor of Arts in English Language, Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, Bachelor ng Sining sa Filipino. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of their respective curricula as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, Republic of the Philippines. Mr. President, for your confirmation.
Adrian R. Ongog, Dean, College of Business and Accountancy.
Candidates for graduation of the College of Business Accountancy, please rise. Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Business and Accountancy and the Registrar, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the degrees Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Marketing Management, Financial Management, Human Resource Development Management, Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the respective curricula as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, Republic of the Philippines. Mr. President, for your confirmation.
Dr. Stanley O. D., Dean, College of Health Sciences.
Candidates for graduation of the College of Health Sciences, please rise. Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Health and Sciences and the Registrar, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the graduation for the degree Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of their respective curricula as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, Republic of the Philippines. Mr. President, for your confirmation.
Miss Sheila B. Bordado, Dean, College of Computer Studies.
Candidates for graduation of the College of Computer Studies, please rise. Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Computer Studies and the Registrar, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the degree Bachelor of Science in Information Systems. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of their respective curricula as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, Republic of the Philippines. Mr. President, for your confirmation.
Confirmation of graduates and conferring of titles and degrees, we call on Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, MBA, President of NCF.
By the power vested in me by the Board of Trustees and by the Commission on Higher Education and the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, and upon the recommendation of your respective deans, faculty, and the registrar, that you have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements for graduation as prescribed in your respective curricula under the Commission on Higher Education and the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, I now confirm the candidates presented as graduates of your respective degrees and titles, and therefore entitled to receive your diplomas or certificates with all the rights and privileges thereto appertaining. Congratulations!
Introduction of the commencement speaker, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, MBA, President of NCF.
Delivering this message to you as the eldest grandson of our founder, Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva, and the fourth president of the Naga College Foundation, after his term, brings out a mixed feeling of pride and privilege. Pride, because from the meager fund of Lolo Mel and the help of some friends, he was able to establish the Naga College Foundation to help rebuild Naga City after it was severely affected by the World War II in 1947, and was able to provide educational opportunity to deserving but financially deprived students in the province and in the region. Lolo Mel, as he is fondly called by the NCF community, undaunted by his financial inadequacy, was able to finish his elementary and secondary studies while working as a barber and a farmland in a Bangus culture farm in Malabon during weekends. He has worked hard to finance his college studies at the University of the Philippines and sought different scholarship support to earn his master's and doctoral degrees on the same university and at the University of Iowa and Missouri State University in the United States. Privileged because I was lucky for the opportunity to continue the legacy that my grandfather has started and bring it to a greater heights. Throughout the years, the school continued to grow from a rented house situated along Peña Francia Avenue, offering a 2-year course in education with 114 enrollees in 1947. It started to offer elementary and high school in 1951 and later registered to Naga Teachers College to Naga College, and now its present name of Naga College Foundation as a non-profit organization offering all educational level programs, preschool, elementary, secondary, tertiary, and postgraduate studies, and reaching the highest enrollment level of 8,800, and continuously expanding to accommodate its growing family of individuals with a shared belief in the value of education. One of the reasons why the administration has chosen our distinguished guest for this year's commencement exercises is the fact that his life is similar to what our founder has gone through. My dear graduates, parents, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my distinct privilege and pleasure to introduce to you our most esteemed guest of honor and commencement speaker. He is a man of such humility and simplicity, and I believe it is precisely the simplicity, humility, and down-to-earth attitude that endear him to become a successful professional. Our guest of honor today is the living idiom of a man who happened to be born at the right time and at the right place. Coupled with an impressive background, it was not therefore surprising that he is currently the youngest ever elected as mayor of the city of Manila. From an early age, he already knows the importance of perseverance and hard work. He found alternative sources of income at the age of 10 by pushing a cart and going house to house to gather old newspapers and news bottles, then reselling them at the local junk dealer. Despite his humble beginnings, Mayor Isko pursued and nourished his unwavering passion for learning. Not only he reads books, especially about prominent world leaders, he appreciates think tanks. In 2012, Mayor Isko attended the Executive Education Program at John F. Kennedy School of Government in Harvard University. A year later, he finished the Emerging Leaders Executive Program, also at JFK School of Government in Harvard University. In the same year, Mayor Isko completed the Oxford Strategic Leadership Program in SAID Business School, University of Oxford. He is also a product of an executive education program at the University of the Philippines, National College of Administration and Governance. Mayor Isko Moreno received his Doctor of Humanities and Community Development degree from the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila in the year 2014. A fitting recognition for his 18 years of community service while serving Manila as City Councilor and Vice Mayor. With this background, he was appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte as Undersecretary of Department of Social Welfare and Development. Prior to this, Mayor Isko Moreno was appointed by President Duterte as Chairman and President of the North Rail Corporation. Mayor Isko studied law at the Arellano University School of Law. 3 years after graduating from International Academy of Management and Economics with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Some of the prestigious awards and recognitions he received include the Most Outstanding Filipino in the Field of Public Service Award from Gawad America Foundation, an institution based in Hollywood, California, United States. And as one of the top 10 men who matter by People Asia magazine. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Naga College Foundation's distinct honor and pride to have this very special man with us, whose presence truly makes our occasion more memorable and meaningful. The man who grew up in slums in Tondo, Manila, and who is now tasked to rebuild the capital city of the country, the total rock star, according to U.S. Ambassador Sung Kim, the Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso, the Mayor of Manila.
The commencement address by Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso.
Hi, magandang araw po. Ako po'y nagagalak na makipag-ugnayan lagi sa mga taga Bicol o taga Bicolandia sapagkat maaaring hindi nyo alam, ako po'y nakapangasawa ng isang Bicolanang magaling magluto. Taga Sorsogon po siya. Kaya feeling ko po lagi ako'y connected sa Bicol region. Alam niyo kung bakit? Dahil ang Bicol ay kapitbahay ng Samar province. At ang nanay ko po isang waray-waray. Kaya madalas ang pakiramdam ko nakapag-asawa ako ng isang kapitbahay. Waray-waray, nakapangasawa sa kabilang dagat na taga Sorsogon. Mga mag-aaral, manunod, at siyempre mga guro, mga magulang na naririto ngayon at nanonood. No? You may not feel the usual excitement and happiness an ordinary graduate would feel on this day of your graduation. This is, of course, not the dream graduation ceremony you envision to have. I know most of you are imagining a graduation march on stage with lots of cheers, claps, and woo-woo from your parents and family, no? And of course, friends. But this thing would not happen. Indeed, you are the chosen and the most fortunate graduates in this very challenging and striving period of the pandemic. Surviving the pandemic and joining this graduation is a step higher than the previous graduates that we have. And this, I salute and congratulate you and to our distinguished chairman of the board, Attorney Carlos C. Villanueva, the energetic and visionary President Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, and members of the Board of Trustees, administrative officials of the institution, and to our professors or members of the faculty, to our dedicated deans of different colleges, and passionate and innovative mentors, our successful graduates, and very supportive parents. Muli, magandang umaga sa inyo. I am honored, very honored and privileged to join you in this virtual graduation ceremony for the Naga College Foundation Inc. Your graduation may not be a very ideal situation because we are still, as I have said, in the middle of rebuilding our society and continuing to have challenges with regard to this pandemic situation brought to us by dreadful coronavirus. Your future looks worry and the grim job market, and I wish I could tell you how you can move forward, but I can't. There is so much uncertainty. But for the meantime, what is certain is your dream. Katulad ng inyong mga magulang, pangarap para sa inyo. Your goals and the things that you value in life. These are the things that will guide and sustain you as you walk through life's challenges. You have been sufficiently honed and shaped by your alma mater. Just continue growing, nurturing, and never stop your quest for truth and life's meaning. And make use of the NCF core values of quality, excellence, service, and truth to guide you in all that you do. Don't save your best effort for last, but always give your best. You'll never regret it. But in every step of the way, don't forget, yung ang tawag ko dun mapagpasalamat. Appreciate. Just be thankful of what you have. And all other things, thank the Lord. Thank God Almighty, your teachers, your parents, and your family, and to all the people have been instrumental for you to reach this part. As you continue the next journey in life, always remember that the hope of the future is a challenge for you to make this world a better place to live. So we are counting on you. I am personally counting on you. And I hope in the next few days, hopefully, I can work and I'll be happy working with some of you here in Manila and help me transform the place the way I envision it to become, a city of hope, city of opportunity, the way it was before. What you call the Pearl of the Orient, the Paris of the East, and to lead the country by having a progressive, sabi nga, maaliwalas, malinis at panatag na lungsod ng Maynila. Kaya antabayanan ko kayo. So again, sa mga magulang, I'm happy for you. Congratulations mga nanay, mga tatay, mga lolo't lola. Masaya-masaya ako para sa inyo ngayong araw na ito. Sa mga guro, Naku, marami salamat sa mga taon ng inyong pasensya sa ating mga estudyante. Ito na ang bunga. Sa pamunuan, congratulations. So, muli po, no? Let me take this opportunity to remind each and every one of you, there is still danger. And I would like you to be responsible individuals also by following simple medical or health protocol. Please wear mask. Kung kaya nyo, wear face shields. Wash your hands and practice at all time physical and social distancing. Kusang disiplina. Pag malasakitan ninyo ang inyong sarili, para nyo nang pinagmalasakitan ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay na naghihintay sa inyo sa kanya-kanyang tahanan. Yun po ang aking paalala. And awa ang Diyos, makakaraos din tayo. So congratulations sa inyong lahat and marhay na aldaw. Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila, God first. Thank you.
Awarding of the plaque of appreciation to the commencement speaker to be given by Mr. Mario C. Villanueva.
Dear graduates, parents, guests, administrators, faculty, and staff, let me take this opportunity to award this plaque of appreciation which reads, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, presents this plaque of appreciation to Honorable Francisco Moreno Domagoso, Mayor, City of Manila, in grateful recognition and appreciation for his invaluable presence and for conveying a significant message to the graduates, reflective of his knowledge and expertise, thereby serving as shining inspiration as commencement speaker and guest of honor during the 73rd Commencement exercises and first virtual graduation ceremony held at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, City of Naga, Philippines, on October 24, 2020. Signed, Mario C. Villanueva, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, President.
Distribution of diplomas. Graduate Studies.
Doctor of Philosophy, Major in Educational Management, Villaray Ramon Jr. V., Naga City. Dissertation, Home Community School Support System and the Teacher's Professional Development. Master of Arts in Education, Major in Educational Management, Avengosa Anilu Casalme, Libmanan Camarnisur. Thesis, Teachers' Challenges in Multi-Grade Teaching and their Effect to Pupils' Academic Learning. De Los Santos Edmundo Mariano, Naga City. Thesis, One TV, One Classroom Program, a tool for enhancing Grade 5 numeracy. Saavedra Catherine Cerdan, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Parental and Sibling Support for Children's Schooling. Salvino Sarah Jane Palino, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Reading Comprehension and Academic Learning, Basis for Developing a Reading Skill Book for Grade 5 Pupils. Master of Arts in Education, Major in English, Vargas Maria Chamel Polita, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Factors Associated with Senior High School Readiness in Libmanan North District. Master of Arts in Education, Major in Filipino, Henyo Odessa Bragais, Naga City. Thesis, Kahandaan sa kasanayan sa pagsulat ng mga mag-aaral sa ikawalong baitang patungo sa pagbuo ng panuwang na gawaing pampagtuturo. Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics, Serdan Cari Sarcedo, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Relational Thinking, Students' Rational Number Proficiency and their Achievement in Algebra. Excellence in Oral Defense. Master of Education, major in Physical Education, Endrano Mary Jane Valle, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Phenomenological Inquiry of the Lived Experience of Physically Challenged Students in Physical Education. C. Dennis Lee Oliver, Naga City. Thesis, Factor Correlates and Dance Coaching Competencies of MAPE Teachers in Naga City Secondary Schools. Master of Arts in Education, major in Science, Barde Jonathan O, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Malabar Spinac, Bacella rubra, leaf extract with garlic, allium sativum, oil as an antifungal herbal cream. Excellence in Oral Defense. Bernales Maricris Marpuri, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Floor wax from banana, Musa paradisiaca, leaf extract. Some household and instructional management implications. Excellence in Oral Defense. Cabrera Analin Sinforoso, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Efficacy and Effectiveness of Sugar Apple, Anonas squamosa, leaf extract with citronella, Cymbopogon winterianus oil as mosquito repellent lotion. Blofino Glenda Joy Gapas, Naga City. Thesis, Production of crude oil extract from macroalgal biomass, its implication to environmental and economic sustainability. Excellence in Oral Defense. Master in Business Administration, major in Human Management, Contreras Salve Ogayon, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Support System for Secondary Schools in Tinambak North District, Insights and Implications to Human Resource Management. Pagdayunan Christine Lawang, Naga City. Thesis, Work Motivation and Job Performance of Coffee Shop Business Industry Employees in Naga City. Tarubago Salve Furio, Naga City. Thesis, DepEd Senior Bookkeeper's Personal Attributes, Social Skills and Job Efficiency.
College of Engineering.
Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Homer D. Bartolay, Loyalty Awardee, Naga City. Ian R.J. M. Briones, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Norgel P. Contreras, Bombon, Camarines Sur. Charlie V. Fria, Gainsa, Camarines Sur. Angelo John R. Javines, Naga City. Pearly M. Masangya, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Franklin B. Miranya, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Christian Gerald M. Pabilando, Tanakman, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Science in Geodetic Engineering. Noriel L. Cosgafa, Pili, Camarines Sur. Elizabeth Ann C. Ebo, Naga City. Lawrence Gabriel G. Garais, cum laude, Naga City. Esperijon Jr. S. Rustia, Naga City. RJ N. Saclausa, Pili, Camarines Sur. Brian O. Valencia, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. Mary Bell Charlene M. Lagrama, Baaw, Camarines Sur. Arnel P. Milyamina, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Randy B. Nieva, Buhi, Camarines Sur.
College of Criminal Justice Education.
Graduate, Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Dayan S. Abellano, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Amiel S. Abrasado, Bumbon, Camarines Sur. Rolando E. Alfonso Jr., Gainsa, Camarines Sur. Kianre Almoguera, Del Rosario, Naga City. John Paul L. Alto, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Kimberly L. Año Nuevo, Magarao, Camarines Sur. Mary Jane M. Antonio, Magarao, Camarines Sur. Shane Anibet M. Aquino, Minalabac, Camarines Sur. Mark Dave G. Arabaca, Presentación, Camarines Sur. Raul Machas C. Arteta, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Crisaldi A. Asico, Kamaligan, Camarines Sur. Frenmark Ayan T. Ayen, Pili, Camarines Sur. Mark D.C. Badoya, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Patrick D.C. Baduya, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Natalia Densi T. Barcenas, Karamuan, Camarines Sur. Kevin John O. Bardon, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Juliet M. Basagre, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Excellence in Practicum. Allen B. Batalier, Pili, Camarines Sur. Valerie S. Bauta, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Neil P. Bea, Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. Gian P. Biherano, Minalabac, Camarines Sur. Mark Christian P. Belhica, Minalabac, Camarines Sur. Aisa M. Beltran, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Jara Rose D. Borbe, Naga City. Jose D. Brizuela Jr., Bula, Camarines Sur. Guaynet Q. Bustamante, Naga City. Lito A. Calmada, Naga City. Rodora M. Camba, Naga City. John Francis B. Castillo, San Pascual, Masbate. Excellence in Practicum. Jinky U. Ciprioto, Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. John Paul A. Shelo, Naga City. Queenie Liza V. Claro, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Excellence in Practicum. Jericho A. Cordinete, Magarao, Camarines Sur. Emark Joey B. Core, Naga City. Leomar S. Cortez, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Hanelet H. Danabar, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Excellence in Practicum. Jomer N. De la Cruz, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Benmar C. De Los Santos, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Gerald C. Disqueg, Naga City. Aiza R. Dillo, Siruma, Camarines Sur. Hazel Laika N. Dumagsang, Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Gerald D. Ibonya, Siruma, Camarines Sur. Recabel L. Elio, San Pascual, Masbate. Ray Lawrence B. Embestro, Sangay, Camarines Sur. Dandy B. Phoenix, Pili, Camarines Sur. Edison B. Phoenix, Pili, Camarines Sur. Jomar S. Flores, Naga City. Grant Lordic E. Frondoso, Naga City. Borns Hemer T. Garbiles, Pili, Camarines Sur. Mark C. Garchitorena, Naga City. Michael P. Garcia, Castilla, Sorsogon. Leo Christopher L. Hernandez, Naga City. Jeremy P. Imperial, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Jan Cyber P. Javier, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Ruel D.S. Labendia, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Felix O. Lagatic Jr., Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Jeffward G. Langit, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Floran Jan C. Laportesa, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Lope C. Loma Jr., Ragay, Camarines Sur. Francisco G. Lopez Jr., Naga City. Lolita G. Lopez, Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. Raisa P. Luzano, Bumbon, Camarines Sur. Excellence in practice. Leonido G. Lugasan II, Naga City. Ian Clark S. Malinisa, Naga City. Maria Sara T. Mapada, Naga City. John Carlos B. Marasigan, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Excellence in practical. Aljon M. Medallon, Lupi, Camarines Sur. Santos A. Mendones III, Naga City. Genevieve B. Moran, Pili, Camarines Sur. Angela A. Norioste, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Mark Jeff P. Numeron, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Lawrence S. Olarbe, Pili, Camarines Sur. Mabel Y. Ole, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Ariel M. Olivan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Russell B. Padillo, Magarao, Camarines Sur. Bernie B. Pandes, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Michael Kervin C. Parane, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Ruel A. Payao, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Noel Adrian O. Peralta, Naga City. Excellent in practical. Jonas D. Porteria, Bumbon, Camarines Sur. Michael B. Rajamoda, Bumbon, Camarines Sur. RJ L. Rania, Bula, Camarines Sur. Jerry Oranyola, Naga City. John Paul C. Razal, Pili, Camarines Sur. Jomar B. Regulado, Canacman, Camarines Sur. John Christopher Q. Reyes, San Pascual, Masbate. Albert N. Rito, Naga City. Mark Vincent C. Ruiz, Karamuan, Camarines Sur. Paul Anthony A. Sagales, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Mark Anthony R. Salcedo, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Don Dominador N. Saliente, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Mark S. San Buenaventura, Naga City. Marison D.L. San Carlos, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Mariel M. Santos, Naga City. Ruel B. Sarmiento, Karamuan, Camarines Sur. Jason Paulo G. Santa Ana, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Mary France DC Santa Rosa, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Rain Ruben B. Sumalabe, Naga City. Warren B. Sumayaw, Pili, Camarines Sur. Victor L. Torres Jr., Minalabak, Camarines Sur. Maclen T. Tuason, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Olga B. Olanday, Naga City. Jeffrey B. Valenzuela, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Omar L. Vidal, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Lemuel A. Bier, Siruma, Camarines Sur. Roque Brian C. Birata, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Graduates, Bachelor of Science in Criminology through Expanded Tertiary Education, Equivalency, and Accreditation Program. Franco M. Abarrientos, Philippine National Police. Gary P. Amata, Philippine Army. Jerry Nold P. Arteta, Philippine National Police. Christian G. Villesa, Philippine Army. Junel J. Bernal, Philippine National Police. Rollyboy B. Bernaldez, Philippine Army. Joey B. Bondelles, Philippine Army. Anthony Herbert DJ De Los Santos, Philippine Army. Roderick A. Reyola, Philippine Army. Ronelo A. Sherte, Philippine National Police.
College of Teacher Education.
Bachelor of Elementary Education. Hana S. Agduro, Naga City. Vina B. Aizon, Minalabak, Camarines Sur. Ivy Babagay, Siruma, Camarines Sur. Carla Jane T. Baduya, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Yeda Marie A. Balanay, Siruma, Camarines Sur. Hannah Shield C. Balandra, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Rosel D. Bedico, Bula, Camarines Sur. Camille S. Villesa, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Janice M. Cabal, Bula, Camarines Sur. Mary Ann R. Carrascal, Naga City. Jennifer P. Corbito, Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. Maria Diwani L. Cuya, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Gigi C. Ebonete, Pili, Camarines Sur. Hanilet O. Stephanie, Magaraw, Camarines Sur. Joanne B. Francia, Bula, Camarines Sur. Clarissa Gratil, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Almira V. Javier, Tagkawayan, Quezon. Sofia Carmela D. Leron, Ragay, Camarines Sur. Medeline T. Lipalam, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Wenilyn H. Magallon, Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Julie E. Magnosay, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Josie M. Malanyaon, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Jonabel B. Marco, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Kate Harvey R. Mijares, Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. Ruby D. Nazarita, San Pascual, Masbate. Michelle T. Onan, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Nika Hanelo B. Onoya, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Krisha Ann D. Pineda, Kabusaw, Camarines Sur. Iris U. Riudique, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Jean Murray M. Santiago, Naga City. Cristina G. Sisgundo, Seruma, Camarines Sur. Rosel R. Sulibaga, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. John Carlo P. Valencia, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Tricia May P. Velez, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Elementary Education with specialization in preschool. Marie Christian B. Brugada, Naga City, Excellence in Practice Teaching. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Science. Romel A. Alfonso, Naga City. Edward I. Purisima, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Zaira A. Sairitan, Siruma, Camarines Sur. Vasquez Moises N, Naga City. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Dina M. Barachina, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Rochelle R. Florendo, Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Arian T. Lopez, Naga City. Jean S. Nas, Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Jezebel B. Pajo, Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. Angeline B. Antones, Naga City. Jesseline C. Picajas, Naga City. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPE. Patricia Jean San Sebastian, Ligmanan, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Jonaline A. Angeles, Naga City. Luisa L. De Los Reyes, Naga City. John Gerald B. Galvo, Naga City. Lugin D. Kimpo, Naga City. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. Odessa May N. Latag, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Mariel V. Vergara, Tinambak, Camarines Sur.
College of Arts and Sciences.
Bachelor of Arts in Filipino Language, Amiel Bernard A. Albino, Camaligan, Camarines Sur, cum laude, Manny Villar Excellence Award, Best in Practicum. Ana M. Balingasa, Naga City, Best in Practicum. Cizaline B. Banyas, Naga City, Best in Practicum. April Marie P. Sevilla, Best in Practicum. Kimberly P. Verdiflor, Naga City, Best in Practicum. Evelyn F. Villarin, Naga City, Best in Practicum. Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, CJ G. Batalla, Magarao, Camarines Sur, Best in Practicum. Cherry G. Valleno, Naga City, Best in Practicum. Bachelor of Arts in English Language, Dayan P. Belleca, Ocampo, Camarines Sur, Best in Practicum. Mikey C. Bernal, Naga City, Best in Practicum. Jesmar P. Bolocon, Naga City, Best in Practicum. Noel A. Carino, Cabusao, Camarines Sur, Best in Practicum. Christy P. Ross, Sipocot, Camarines Sur, Best in Practicum. Jeka Aliana A. Solid, Naga City, Best in Practicum. Glyza P. Verdad, Kanakman, Camarines Sur.
College of Business and Accountancy.
Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bello Catherine A., Camaligan, Camarines Sur, cum laude. Benitez John Edison J., Naga City. Bermas Jimel P., Calabanga, Camarines Sur, cum laude, Diploma in Taxation. Carbonel Junior Bayani I., Balatas, Naga City, cum laude, Certified Tax Technician. De Guzman Ricky May V., Camaligan, Camarines Sur, cum laude, Certified Tax Technician. De Los Santos Bradley A., Milaor, Camarines Sur. Marfil Delia Juniora M., Libmanan, Camarines Sur, Certified Tax Technician. Panganiban Nicole B., Del Rosario Milaor, Camarines Sur, cum laude. Reyes Edilhen B., San Antonio Milaor, Camarines Sur, cum laude. Season Venus Margaret A., Labrador, Pangasinan. Tolentino Judith Fausto, San Felipe, Naga City. Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, Akal Maria Jeneline S., Naga City Subdivision, Triangulo, Naga City. Bengua Jocelyn C., Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Camba Cheryl G., Seruma, Camarines Sur. Namora Redin C., Pacol, Naga City. Kines Jessa B., Kararayan, Naga City, Best in Practicum. Robles Charlemagne C., Seruma, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology, Advincula Ara L., Baao, Camarines Sur. Balane O'Shane J., Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City, Loyalty Award. Berizo Mary Ann M., Liboton, Naga City. Blance Donna Flor M. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Carbonilla Charlene May A. Balatas, Naga City. 4 Georgia Marie B. Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Lianza Joy Antoinette D. Pili, Camarines Sur. Moises Janine B. Canacman, Camarines Sur. Oliciano Jerome L. Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Panimbagon Joy Q. Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Pasyon Clint James C. Calawag, Naga City. Porteria Jonan N. Milaor, Camarines Sur. Rabina Maria Cristina A. Concepcion Grande, Naga City. Remedio Jane Camille V. Lagonoy, Camarines Sur. Sepcon Floreline G. San Jose, Camarines Sur. Umerez Melaiza E. Camarines Norte. Visaya Nikki Jean S. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. Bengua Angeline S. Baao, Camarines Sur. Cabral Patricia A. Pili, Camarines Sur, best in Practicum. Cedron Jared R. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Clapis Salvacion G. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Maceda Chari V. O. Lupi, Camarines Sur. Marasigan Sheila May Tipones, Carolina, Naga City. Peconcilio Kimberly R. Carolina, Naga City. Pelimiano Dan Eric Agpun, Abelia, Naga City. San Lorenzo Dorothy Joy V. Mabolo, Naga City, Camarines Sur. Soneja Maria Jasmine V. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management. Abocado Jeneline C. Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Akayen Angelo Magarao, Camarines Sur. Banyaria Redford R. Baao, Camarines Sur. Bilen Charmaine S. Bula, Camarines Sur. Silo Alexis M. Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Coros Maria Concepcion P. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Fabricante Aiza Marie D. Panikwason, Naga City. Gonzaga Monsor P. Gainza, Camarines Sur. Labrador Pame M. San Isidro, Naga City. Marikit Maria Mercy B. San Fernando, Camarines Sur, best in Practicum. Nasol Helen D. Abelia, Naga City. Polyoso Michi V. Milagros, Masbate. Regulado Nathalie Paz S. Santa Cruz, Naga City. Reyes Aiza Marie C. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Reliama Sheila May Nunez, San Rafael, Cararayan, Naga City. Sales Arian Salonga, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Sopenia Marjorie Sherva, Bula, Camarines Sur. Trinidad Shaira M. Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Volante Mary Grace Cabal, Bula, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Agorita Anil S. Canacman, Camarines Sur. Alma Jezil P. Canacman, Camarines Sur. Ariola Maribel Jessa L. Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Benitez Rovilin O. Cadlan, Pili. Bodolio Brian V. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Borja Christine K. R. Cararayan, Naga City. Brusas Luila May J. Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Buena Francisca Rico Rosales, Del Rosario, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Cortesano Mark Joseph, Pili, Camarines Sur. Cosa Rose Ann V, Concepcion Grande, Naga City. De Jesus Christine Joy V, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City. Del Valle Pio Aldrin P, Bombon, Camarines Sur. De Nido Rican L, Concepcion Grande, Naga City. Doblon Aiden Jean C, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Esperida Rachel Ann B, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Galing Annette May B, San Felipe, Naga City. Gonzales Maria Ann C, Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Guab Jonna May C, Santa Cruz, Naga City. Hombrero Lourdes B, Pili, Camarines Sur. Magtira Evander S, Legazpi City, Albay. Malaluan Mary Rose H, Ocampo, Camarines Sur, Best in Practicum. Malinao April Shareline G, Las Piñas City. Manlangit Eljun L, San Jose, Pili, Camarines Sur. Nebedum Chukwemeka U, Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Nivales Jonaline C, Pacol, Naga City. Nolian Joy Donaline F, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Nuura Claudine B, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Nuida Princess Anne C, San Ramon, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Pardiñas Annabel J, Dinaga, Naga City. Patiño Rachel A, Magarao, Camarines Sur. Paulo Jr. Jaime J, Minalabak, Camarines Sur, cum laude. Peñero Arlene May, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Quiñones Jeffrey F, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Rada Saira G, Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City. Rodriguez Jaya L, Mabolo, Naga City. Ruin Jet Jeffrey V, San Felipe, Naga City. Sabocor Justin Marie B, San Felipe, Naga City. Samaniego Liza Roslin, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Sarte Kimberly B, Cararayan, Naga City. Sornilio Marily V, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Talay Michael P, Pili, Camarines Sur. Villar Daisy Antonio, San Felipe, Naga City. Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. Alayan Jennifer A, Marupit, Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Ansay Van Sairi, Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City. Arca Rodel V, Camaligan, Camarines Sur, Best in Practicum. Asico Krija A, Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Cortesano Marjorie S, Pacol, Naga City. Floresca Melody D, Lerma, Naga City. Lopez Angeli Grace P, Sumaoy, Garchotorena, Camarines Sur. Lopez Chelsea D, Pili, Camarines Sur. Masarita Joshua M, Pili, Camarines Sur. Mejorado Asaya Del Rosario, Naga City. Morano Knight Michael R, Naga City Subdivision, Naga City. Mina Paulo R, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Nacario Jessel Renz C, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Padua Geno Ronaldo E, Mercedes, Camarines Norte. Panambo Roden P, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. Rodriguez Dayan Marie M, Moncada, Tarlac. Rojas Emmy Rose A, Camaligan, Camarines Sur. San Juan Sandra S, Pamplona, Camarines Sur.
College of Health Sciences.
Bachelor of Science in Nursing. M.D. Fayaz Ahmad, India. Wasim Alam, India. Mabi D. Barameda, Naga City. Luella C. Belleza, Naga City. Gian Renzo A. Caligan, Canacman, Camarines Sur. Riza V. De la Torre, Naga City. Luzel A. Dominguez, Minalabac, Camarines Sur. Rica May C. Dumlao, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Mary France A. Galicia, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Zubek A. Gulapa, Naga City. Jesus M. Hermosa, Naga City. John Clyde A. Lanuzga, Naga City. Rahul Let, India. Chrysler May B. Madi, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Kelvin Macderry Musa, Nigeria. Si Juwadi Ojuwadi, Nigeria. Cyril Palermo, Baao, Camarines Sur. Chrysler V. Remoroso, Naga City. M.D. Tasneem Reyes, India. Maria Grace O. Salvador, Minalabac, Camarines Sur. Maria Alexa M. Sistoso, Siruma, Camarines Sur. Princess Joy P. Tondag, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Christine Joy Train, Lopez, Quezon. Daniel A. Tria, Sangay, Camarines Sur. Mary Grace S. Vergara, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. Elvira D. Modino, Naga City. Leila C. Nacario, Baao, Camarines Sur. Karen E. Nara, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Joanne T. Priela, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Beverly T. Privosa, Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
College of Computer Studies.
Bachelor of Science in Information Systems. Gilbert Joel Madrugaba Busilig, Cagay, Camarines Sur. Kimberly Molina Blanco, Pili, Camarines Sur. John Ryan Sueno Salaver, Pili, Camarines Sur.
And now, let us hear the message on behalf of Class 2020 by Mr. Amiel Bernard A. Albino, Bachelor of Arts in Filipino Language, Batch 2020, Cum Laude.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ngayong araw ipagdiriwang natin ang katapusan ng isang kapitulo sa ating mga buhay. Isang kapitulong puno ng aral at mga karanasan sa loob man o labas ng ating minamahal na kolehiyo, kasama ang mga taong atin ang naging pamilya. Ngunit malayo sa ating inaasahan sanang graduation, kung saan lalakad tayong suot ang ating mga toga, kukuha ng mga retrato kasama ang ating mga pamilya, mga kaibigan, at mga taong naging espesyal sa atin. mga retratong magpipinta ng gunitang atin sanang babalik-balikan. Gayon ding pagkatapos sana o kinaumagahan, dadayo sa kung saan saang handaan. Heto tayo, hiwa-hiwalay na nasa kanya-kanyang mga tahanan. Walang paso, walang retrato, wala nang kung ano pa mang mga nakagawian na kaugnay ng ating ipinagdiriwang. Bukod pa sa ang araw ng mahalagang pagdiriwang na ito ay hindi at malayo sa nakatalaan sanang ating inaasahan at pinaghandaan. Gayon ding bago ang araw na ito, maraming mga okasyon at bagay na inabangan at inasahan nating mangyayari sana sa nagdaang mga buwan. Nang summer sana nag-swimming tayo, nagtampisaw sa mga resort, mga dagat o mga talon. Nang Setyembre sana, ipinagdiwang natin ang piyesta sa pamamagitan ng traslasyon, pagsakay, handaan at panonood ng parada. Gayunman, ang lahat ng ito ay di nangyari. Malayo at iba na minsan mapapaisip tayong sana pala sumama ako na nagayaang barkada ng nakaraang taon. Nagpalusot na lang sana ako. Sana umuo ako at nagpunta nang may nangimbitang kaibigan ng nagdaang piyesta. At sana hindi ko binaliwala ang mga bagay na hindi natin inakalang biglang hindi na natin nagagawa sa ngayon. Sa mga bagay na nangyari ngayon, nawa pagnilay-nilayan natin sa araw na ito ang mga salitang hayag, ngunit mulat na iniiwasan. Isang katotohanang mahirap tanggapin kung minsan, gayon ding batid, datapwat minsan di natin naiintindihan. Memento mori, na nangangahulugang lahat tayo papanaw. Negatibo, nakakatakot, na madalas ayaw pag-usapan. Gayunman, nais ko na huwag natin itong tingnan bilang isang panakot, isang pagmumula ng pighati, o ng ano pamang negatibong impresyon. Sa halip, tingnan natin ito bilang isang inspirasyon, isang pagmumula ng kabutihan, at bilang isang motibasyon sa araw-araw. Isang inspirasyon, gawin natin itong isang inspirasyon na ang bawat karanasan natin, ang bawat pagkakataon, ang bawat okasyon sa ating buhay ay huwag nating baliwalain. Bigyan natin ng halaga mula sa bagay na malalaki at konkreto hanggang sa mga bagay na maliliit at abstrakto. Sa simpleng kwentuhan kung vacant o kung minsan pa habang nagtuturo si ma'am. Sa pag-jam sa magsaysay, sa DYD, sa rotonda at sa kung saan saang mga kainan, inuman at restaurant. Hanggang sa paggalang nakakarating sa mga lunang sa newsfeed lang natin nakikita ang kagandahan. Tulad ng Lidmanan, Ocampo, Batangas at Quezon na di natin nakalaing ating mapupuntahan. Sabi nga, let us live the moment. Sapagkat di natin batid kung may susunod pa, kung mauulit pa o kung siya o sila pa ang ating kasama. Nang sa gayon, wala tayong pagsisihan at panghinayang di natin nagawa. Naranasan ng buo kasama ang taong malalapit at minamahal natin. Gayon ding maging tayong mapagpasalamat. Let's be grateful sa lahat ng bagay sa ating buhay. Kapwa yung mabunga, mabubuti at masasama. Sapagkat kung di dahil sa mga ito, di tayo magiging kung sino tayo. Maging mapagpasalamat tayo sa lahat ng mga taong ating nakasama o kahit na nakadaupang palad lamang sa sentro. Hindi man sa pamamagitan ng mga salita o gawa, kahit na sa simple at bukal sa loob na pagngiti. Pagpadama na sa mundo nating ito na medyo di kabuti, mayroon pa ring pag-asa at kabutihan. sapagkat di natin alam, baka sa simpleng ginawa natin iyon, nakapagpasaya tayo o may tao tayong napagaan ang pakiramdam. Datapot, syempre, higit sa lahat, maging mapagpasalamat tayo sa mga taong kilala natin, nakakasama sa araw-araw, mga taong malapit man o malayo sa ating puso, kaibigan man o kaaway. Kaugnay nito, nais kong pasalamatan ng ilan sa kanila. Ang aking pamilya na nangalaga at nagpunla sa akin ng isang matatag na pananampalataya. Sa NCF na isa sa mga naging dahilan sa kung sino ako ngayon. Sa aking cast family na humubog at nagturong maging mapanuri at madaldal. Sa mga gurong bukod sa mga nasa kurikulum ay nagturo ng mga bagay sa buhay sa pamamagitan ng mga kwento, anekdota at mga gawa. Sa aking CSE family ngayon at nagdagdaang taon, na di ko kailanman inakalang magiging bahagi ako. Mga ka-major na nakasama sa maraming galaan, sa aking mga kaibigan ng high school, sa mga kaibigang nakilala sa kolehiyong ito, na in one way or another nagturo at nagparanas ng mga bagay na aking dadalhin saan man ako pumaroon. Sa taong di ko inakalang magiging close ko, magiging confident, nariyan sa kung anuman, umaga man, o sa kalaliman ng gabi. Sa ating mahal na ina, tagapamagitan, gabay at takbuhan sa lahat ng pagkakataon, at higit sa lahat sa ating Panginoon, na siyang tinagmulan at patutunguhan ng lahat, na sa kanyang kabutihan naririto tayo kung nasaan man tayo ngayon. Hindi man natin ito gusto, minsan, tulad ngayon, ngunit sapagkat ito ay kalooban niya, ang lahat ay magiging mabuti, may dahilang mabuti, at para sa ating kabutihan. Higit sa lahat, tingnan natin ang mga salitang memento mori bilang isang motibasyon. Motibasyon upang maging mabuti. Batid na natin na ang ating mundo ay hindi perpekto. Maraming mga imperfeksyon, mga depekto at mga kapintasan. Ito ay isang katotohanan. Ngunit isa rin namang katotohanan na sa gitna ng mga ito ay may katuwiran, may kabutihan at kagandahan. At tayo sa ating mga sarili, hangad na mabuhay sa mundo na malayo sa kasamaan at nasa kabutihan. Gayunman, hindi natin mapipilit o mapapasunod ang lahat na maging mabuti, sapagkat una sa lahat, may sarili silang pag-iisip, at ikalawa, hindi natin kontrolado ito, anumang pilit natin. Kaya tayo na lang mismo ang maging mabuti. Maging magbuti tayo, anuman ang sabihin sa atin, o kahit na tayo na lang ang gumagawa ng mabuti. Just that you do the right thing, the rest doesn't matter. Maging mabuti tayo sa araw-araw. Sa mga taong nakakadaupang palad natin, sino man sila, kilala man natin o hindi, kaibigan man natin o kaaway. Maging mabuti tayong mamamayan, nag-aambag, nagsasalita at nakikialam sa anumang paraan, sa simpleng pagsunod sa batas, hanggang sa pagpili ng mga mabubuti at nararapat na mga tao sa pwesto. O kung tayo mismo ay may kakayanan, tayo mismo maglingkod sa bayan. At higit sa lahat, maging mabuti tayo sa mga taong nakapaligid sa atin, mga taong malalapit sa atin, sa ating mga kaibigan, sa ating mga kaaway, at higit sa mga taong lubos na nangangailangan ng kabutihan. Mahirap man ito, ngunit di imposible. Sa ating graduation, na ating di inaasahang ipagdiriwang natin sa gitna ng ating pinagdadaanan ngayon, sa paraang di natin nakasanayan, nawa ang lahat ng ating mga karanasan at mararanasan pa, ang mga bagay gaano man sa tingin natin ka-relevant o irrelevant sa ating buhay, ay bigyan natin ng halaga, namnamin at huwag baliwalain. Nawa maging mapagpasalamat tayo sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng tao, at higit sa Panginoon. At nawa sa ating buhay na di natin masusukat ang haba, maging mabuti tayo sa lahat at sa lahat ng pagkakataon. One day, you'll leave this world behind. So live a life you will remember. Just mabalos at congratulations sa ating lahat.
Let us listen to our NCF President, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, MBA, for his message.
My heartfelt congratulations to the graduates of Class 2020. This year, indeed, marks a very significant milestone in your lives, and I congratulate you and your parents and all those who helped you along the way. Graduation is a very special celebration that honors and recognizes your hard work and achievements. Now that you have finally earned a degree that will open doors to significant new opportunities, we are thankful for all the sacrifices you made to grow personally, intellectually, and even professionally. The world out there is full of challenges. It is not always kind, but I am confident that with the knowledge, skills, and right attitudes you develop during your stay with us, you are more than prepared to face the life's ups and downs. I would like to impart a famous thought from Harriet Tubman. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world. This quote reminds us that each one of us has the capacity to initiate change for the betterment of self and the world. Some people may have failed to achieve their dreams because they lack the confidence, the drive, and the passion to do it. Never give up on your dreams. Be strong, be patient. Do not let others stop you or get you discouraged. Maintain the passion that you have started, because in the end, this will lead you to your success. To you, my dear graduates, leaders of the new century, move forward to greatness by reaching out and making connections that truly matter. I enjoin you to align and connect your individual efforts with your alma mater, the Naga College Foundation. May the NCF core values of quality, excellence, service, and truth guide you in all that you do. Never stop your quest for truth and life's meaning. Keep learning, keep growing, continue reinventing yourself, and contribute for the betterment of our society. Mabuhay and congratulations!
The Pledge of Loyalty by Mr. Homer de la Peña Bartolay.
May I request to my fellow graduates to please rise, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. Pledge of Loyalty. I state your name, Homer Bartolay, conscious of my duties and responsibilities as a graduate of Naga College Foundation. I solemnly pledge and reaffirm my faith in God and country. I hereby promise to uphold the ideals and principles of my alma mater, to be loyal to her, to live an upright life, to keep sublime and untarnished the noble traditions of Naga College Foundation. I make this pledge in grateful acknowledgement of my debt of gratitude to my alma mater.
To induct the graduates of the NCF Alumni Association, we call on Ms. Jennifer Olaso Harris, Vice President, NCF Alumni Association.
May I request all the graduates to please stand, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. I state your name, a graduate of the Naga College Foundation, do solemnly affirm my membership in the NCF Alumni Association Incorporated, and hereby pledge to support its articles of incorporation and obey the bylaws as well as legal orders of the duly constituted officers, to be loyal and proud of my alma mater, to defend and uphold their ideals and principles, to commit myself and participate in the affairs of the association, to conduct myself as a member of good standing according to the best of my knowledge and discretion with deep sense of unity, fraternity, corporate pride, and social responsibility, and impose upon myself this voluntary obligation without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. By the authority vested in me by the Board of Directors, I am pleased to convey you into the membership of NCF Alumni Association. Congratulations and our sincere and best wishes for the successful and bright future.
Closing of these ceremonies by Dr. Ida P. Osea, Vice President for Academic Affairs.
I now formally declare the commencement exercises officially adjourned.